In this video, I'm going to explain how you can change your vehicle on the Doordash Dasher app. So the first thing that we'll have to do is add a new dash type if you don't have your new vehicle set up. So first, how do I add a new dash type here? So from the vehicle management section on the Dasher app, we will need to click on add new vehicle. After we have selected it, we can choose between car, scooter, bike, and we'll have to select which type of vehicle we want to add, and then we will need to choose the manufacturer. So after that, you can add a car to your account. You will be required to add car make and car model. So if you're adding a car, of course, you'll need to add the model, and it's going to show us a review of our new vehicle. So vehicle type, the maker, and the model. And here we'll just have to verify that we have insurance, and we'll click on add vehicle. So after we have clicked on add vehicle, then here from the vehicle management, you will be able to see your new vehicle added to Doordash. Now, how can we switch the vehicle? So here, how do I switch my dash type? We'll need to click on the dash icon at the bottom right hand corner of the dash tab. So right here where it says our vehicle, so car, you want to click on it, and here if we have successfully added our vehicle previously, like I just showed you, we can choose from the new vehicle, and then that's basically how you switch your vehicle on Doordash. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.